Assalamu alaikum students. This is mathematics, grade 2, and this is our first lesson, and we are initiating from unit number 1, numbers up to 200, and this is day 1. And our today's topic is spike abacus. जी स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ा सा हम अपने जो पिछले कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं उनको हम जरा रिव्यू कर लेते हैं कि व्हाट वी हैव लर्न अर्लियर. बिफोर दैट हम अपने जरा स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग आउटकम्स आज की चेक कर लें. By the end of this session, we will be able to determine the number of tens and ones in a number from the spike abacus, identify our two-digit number represented by spike abacus, and represent a two-digit number on spike abacus. So let us see what we have learned early in the previous classes. So this is our quick review 1. Here I'm referring to the exercise provided in your textbook at page number 5, what we have learned earlier. And up till now, you're well versed with the numbers up till 100. So firstly, revise the numbers, the two-digit numbers consisting of tens and ones. Previously, we have represented numbers using block chart diagram. So here, firstly, I will provide a block chart diagram for a number, and then you will tell me how many tens and ones it contains, and then by joining two tens and ones, you will form the number. And after that, you will write the number name. So here's we go. Here we have a block chart diagram. This block represents a tens, a complete tens, and here is a block that is representing ones. So how many tens are there? There are 1 tens and 1 ones. So the number would be 11, written in words as ELEVEN. Now next, similarly, here we have 1 tens and 2 ones. So 1 tens, 2 ones forming the number 12, and same in the words. Now here is a 13, 1 tens and 3 ones. The number is 13, and here is the number name. Now here comes the number 1 tens and 4 ones. The tens are 1, 4 ones are 4, and the number is 14. 14 written in words as 14. Now here is the number 15 consisting of 1 tens, 5 ones. Similarly, here we have a 16 consisting of 1 tens, 6 ones, and here we have 17, 1 tens, 7 ones, and here we have 18, 1 tens, 8 ones, and next we are having 19 as 1 tens, 9 ones, and finally we are having 2 tens, and none of the ones is left behind, and the number is 20, 20, and here it is in words. So here was a quick review. Now let's have another review of what we have learned earlier. Here I will represent a two-digit number through block chart diagram, and then you will determine the number of tens and ones and the number itself by analyzing those block chart diagrams. So here are a few questions. Here is the first question. Here you can see as there are 4 tens. So let me use the annotation here, and you will see here. Here we are having 1 tens, 2 tens. Here we are having the second tens. Here we are having the third tens, and here we are having the fourth tens. So here we are having 4 tens. So what does it mean? It means that we are having 4 tens. So let us see how many ones we are having. We are having 4 tens. Now onwards we will count the ones. How many ones do we having? So here is the first one. It is the second ones. Here it is the third ones. When we move forward, it is the fourth ones. It is the fifth ones, and here at the bottom it is the sixth ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many ones do we have? We have 6 ones. So the number would be 46. 4, 6, 46. Similarly, here is the second question, and you will tell me how many tens and ones this block chart diagram is showing. Here you can see that there are 6 tens. So 6 tens are there, and 4 cubic blocks are representing 4 ones. So here are the 4 ones. So the number would be 64. Number would be 64, and the same is written in words. Here is another question. Here you can see that we are having 3 tens. So 3 tens, and then we will count the number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we are having 9 ones. So the number would be 39, 39, and the same is written in the words. Now here is the next question. Here you can count the number of tens. How many tens are there? Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many tens we are having? We are having 9 tens. And how many ones? We are having a single cubic block, which is representing 1, and it is only 1 here. So the ones are 1, and the number would be 91. So here was our review regarding our previous learning, and now from onwards we will now I'm going to introduce you the spike abacus, but before that I'm going to show you a video. Watch this video carefully, and after that I will ask some questions regarding this video. So here we go.
We shall learn the place value with the help of an abacus. In the abacus, we can see the letter O, which denotes position of ones, and letter T, which denotes position of tens. In the given figure, there is only one bead in the ones position. This denotes the number 1. In this figure, there are 2 beads in the 10th position and 4 beads in the ones position. 2 tens plus 4 ones is 24. Now, from the given abacus, let us count the beads and write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 beads in the tens position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 beads in the ones position. So, the number is 45.
So students, you have watched the video here, and now I'm going to reinforce those concepts. So what is a spike abacus? Look at the following abacus, which is having 2 spikes. We use spike abacus to show numbers. In each rod, we can put up to 9 beads. So one here in to one spike we are denoting the position O, and the second spike is denoted by T. So as you have watched the video, tell me O denotes which place value? Yeah, O denotes one's place value. Similarly, what is the place value denoted by T? Yeah, T denotes tens place value. Now let's move on. Here we are reading the spike abacus. Read the numbers represented by following spike abacus. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads are there in the ones spike, and here we are having 2 beads in the 10th spike. So which number is represented by this spike abacus? So count the number of beads. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say that we are having 7 ones. So here is the 7 ones, and how many tens are there? They're having 1 and 2. There are 2 tens. So the number represented by this spike abacus is 27. Here we go with another question. Here, similarly, we are having some beads. So firstly, we will count the beads in the ones spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the ones place, we are having 9 beads. And in the tens place, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. So 9 beads. So 9 ones and 5 tens. So the number is 59. The number is 59. The third, here we are having the third number. Oh, wait a minute, we are not having any ones here. And how many tens we are having? We're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means we are having none of the ones and we are having 9 tens. So the number would be 90. 90. 9 tens form the number 90. Here is another question. Here in the spike abacus, we are having 3 beats in the ones spike, and here we are having 4 beats in the tens spike. So the number is 43. Number is 43. 3 ones, 4 tens forms the number 43. Here we are drawing beats to show the number. Read the numbers represented by falling spike abacus. Here, we are going. What we are going to do is that here we are going to do is that here we are shown some here we are given a number and we have to show that number using the spike abacus. So here we go. Here we have to show the given numbers using the spike abacus. So here we are having 8 ones and 6 tens. It means we are going to represent the number 68 using the spike abacus. Here we are having 8 ones and 6 tens. So how many beads will we put in the first spike? 8 beads. So here we are putting 8 beads in the ones spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we are going to represent 6 tens by putting how many beads in the 10 spike? We are going to place 6 beads in the 10 spike. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have used 6 beads to show 6 tens. So the number we have represented using the spike abacus is 68. 68. 6 tens, 8 ones. Now let us show another number using the same pattern. Here we are having the number 76, which consists of 6 ones and 7 tens. 6 ones and 7 tens. So how many beads will be put in the one spike? How many beads will put in the first spike? We will put 6 beads in the one spike. So here we go. Here we have placed 6 beads in the one spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads in the one spike. And here are the beads in the 10 spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads in the 10 spike. So the number we are representing through spike abacus is 76. 76. Here's another question. Here we have to represent the number 84. 84 consists of 4 ones, 4 ones, and 8 tens. 4 ones and 8 tens. It means how many beads will we place in the one spike? We will place how many beads? 4 beads to show 4 ones. So here we have placed 4 beads to show 4 ones, and here we have placed 8 beads to show 8 tens. Here are the number of beads: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads to show 8 tens. Here is the fourth question, and here we are having the number 21. 21. It means we are having 1 ones and 2 tens. So then, so how many beads will we place in the one spike? As we are having 1 ones, so we will place 1 bead in the one spike. And as we are having 2 tens, so we will place 2 beads in the 10 spike. So the number represented by 21 by spike abacus is as shown. Now move on. Let us recap what we have learned in today's lesson. Here we have seen that spike abacus is a tool to represent numbers. One spike denotes the position ones, and it is denoted by O. And the second spike at the left is represent tens, and it is denoted by T. Each spike can have at the maximum only 9 beads. At the maximum, a spike can have 9 beads. So that is all with today's lesson. And here I'm going to assign you with an assignment. You will solve these questions in the textbook, and you will submit me your assignment in the form of scanned copies. So note down your assignment. Firstly, you will solve the exercise what we have learned earlier. It is related to your previous grade mathematics questions. So you will solve these exercise on the textbook and submit me by tomorrow. It is on page number 5 of your textbook. Secondly, you will solve the exercise number 1A. It consists of 2 questions on page number 6. So solve these questions and submit me as scanned copies by tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much for today's lesson. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.